Mercury inertia.
Propeller test on a Campion Alante 535 with a new Mercury F150. I have tested these 8 propellers, and I would really like to know if anyone got any idea how the inertia eco version will stack up against the standard inertia, because I haven't tried that one yet. But my first impression was that the Vengeance propeller was a very nice, but in 19 pitch it was too high a pitch, gave me high speed, 48.4 miles per hour. The next propeller I got hold of was the Spitfires, the 19 pitch, high speed, and then but not enough acceleration, so I took the 17 pitch, super acceleration, but the problem with these propeller was too much cavitation. So the next I tried was the Revolution 17 pitch. It's a very large and heavy propeller, and it was actually handling quite nice, gave me 44 miles per hour in top speed, but when I was idling it felt just too heavy a prop. It felt like I had a car with and when you put it in 3rd or 4th gear when you started. And so I didn't like that, and it was also very slow when I gave gas on the boat. So I went on to the Ventura, and that gave a super acceleration and very nice handling, but I still had some problem with cavitation in the turns. So I tried the High 5, the 21 pitch and the 19 pitch. The 19 pitch was the best for my boat. Super grip in the water, no cavitation at all. But I felt with these propeller that the boat was lying too deep in the water when I was sailing. So I would like to try then inertia, but I got hold of the Inertia Eco. It was the only one that I could borrow as a demo model. And actually I thought it would be a terrible propeller because it's so huge. It's 16 inches in diameter, but actually it was a super propeller. If my main goal was long trips, I would actually choose this propeller. Super smooth, very high speed at low revs, and fairly good acceleration. But the problem was I didn't get enough acceleration. I want a little bit more. So if anyone knows how the Inertia Eco stacks up against the standard inertia, that is only I think 14.5 pitch, I would like to know it. And if they are very similar, should I go 1 pitch lower, because you can do that in the standard inertia propellers. But this is my impression of these 8 propellers I have tested so far.